no, makakatulong ba ito sa therapeutic process natin, sa therapeutic progress natin, or ginagamit natin siya if there's no other effective means po, no, to achieve these goals. So, importante po, no, na take note natin na self-disclosure, lagi at lagi intentional siya, no? Nakakatulong siya sa client, relevant siya doon sa scenario na meron tayo doon sa counseling session, and still it will focus on the client's need, no? So the counselor, the school advocate should consider whether sharing your personal experiences will genuinely benefit, no, yung therapeutic process natin, or whether wala talaga tayong alternative way, no, ito na lang yung way natin para ma-achieve yung